Welcome to day 3 of Tip to Tip. I'm butt naked. Good morning, or should I say, die. Because today is an important day for our trip across Japan. We haven't looked at a map in a while, we don't know where we are. But the goal is to go to Osaka. It's Osaka or die on day 3. At all costs, we are not ending today until we are at the beautiful city of Osaka. I decided today, Osaka or die.
I'd rather die.
There's no options.
Yeah,
It's
I'd rather die
Osaka,
than not get
or we just perish.
Yeah, trip could end here.
Chokodan. Even if we left by 11, we have 7 hours.
Yeah.
Of daylight.
And then we go 6 more hours into the night.
It doesn't look like it's gonna rain.
That's what they all say.
I shouldn't say that.
That's what they all say. We got gaijin tax.
We got fucking scammed. We got fucking scammed.
We got gaijin tax.
Coffee and lounge, bro. That shit is.
That was a smoke and cigar bar and an alcohol bar. Just bar.
I was like, yo, Michael, I found a sick coffee spot.
He said, check out my secret little spot. I found this charming little coffee spot in like mountains of Japan. I said, wow, that's amazing. And then he said, it's known for its oranges, this town. And then now I know he knows nothing about this town.
Dude. Do you think he lives there?
I think that's just the Nintendo headquarters.
It's just in Yokohama?
Famous for its oranges.
Yeah, they used to sell oranges before trading cards.
ロサンゼルスから来てくれたか。
はい。
ほんでこれからどこ行くの？
僕行き、
九州？
北海道。
北海道行くの？
初めて九州、まだ日本全国をバイクで旅行する。
バイク旅行。いいね、ツーリング。
ここから大阪にどうやって行けばですか？
大阪は JR でもいいし。
私たちバイク。
バイクか。バイクか。
はい。
バイクやったらね、何本ある？250？
50。
50？
50。400cc。
400cc。
400cc。
ほんなら高速でいい。高速。近くに下行くの？ほんならね、この道のまっすぐ。
すぐ。
大津シティ。
大津シティ。
ほんだら、お城が見える。これ。
大座、はい。わかります。
お城がある。
用心棒。
ね、ずーっと松山へ出る。松山。
大座、松山。
大津。そのままずっと行くと松山へ行く。大阪へ出るの？大阪ね、フェリー乗らないかんからね。フェリー。徳島。ほんでここが香川。ほんでここが高知。ほんでここが愛媛な。こうなってるわけ。ほんでここからずっと高松へ行ったらここでうどんの美味しいとこがあるの。こっち行ったらフェリーがある。
フェリー、はい。その町は？その町を？
香川県。
香川まで行
ったら。香川行ったらフェリーがこっち向いて割と便があるからね。だからこっからフェリー乗ろうと思ったら、新居浜かな。東洋いうとこ。東洋。松山の向こう。
東洋。優しいです。本当にありがとうございます。
おじさん。
はい、おじさん。
みはね、これをずっとね、全部こう歩いてね。
歩いて。
ウォーキングで。
ウォーキング。
そういう意味で。
何時間？何時間
で行かないよ。40日。
40
日。
まだすごい。
ここが3月の1日で出たら、こう全部回ってくるのが4月の10日に帰ってくる。
本当にありがとうございます。
はい。
ありがとうございました。はい。Damn, that dude ruled.
You said G-Con? He said fuck G-Con. He said days.
Yeah. Okay, Oji-san gave us a bunch of intel. Basically, our new plan is to go to Kagawa. And apparently there's a ferry from Kagawa to Osaka. So that's the game plan. Shout out Oji-san. Shout out the Dodgers hat. I fucking knew this Dodgers hat would work. Dodgers hat successfully secured us the route for today. We are now taking Oji-san's route. Shout out Oji-san, I love you dearly. We gotta get going.
We got all this.
It's noon, bro. That is late.
Anyone know if we have to reap what we sow tomorrow?
Are we reaping what
Do we reap tomorrow or no? Things got going on.
All right.
Mechamasu.
Clear left, clear right.
Yay.
Time to go.
Whee, we're fucking dead.
Do you feel that? That's fucking rain. That's bad news.
すいません。香川を方法がありますか？
香川の
はい、香川町？
香川フェリー。大阪行きましょう。
大阪に行きましょう。香川から行かれます。
はい。香川フェリー行きましょう。大阪は何時間ですか？
夜出て朝着く。こっから香川までがバイク？
はいバイク。
高速で2時間以上。
2時間。
フェリーはめっちゃslow.
Okay.
So it's an overnight ferry.
Yeah. Yeah, big fork in the road here.
余裕があるので、これ読める？
はい。
東横から大阪南港？
はい。
大阪南港。
大雪のフェリーが。
はい、わかります。初めて終わり。はい、わかります。
で、ここに行きたいですって言って。
めっちゃvaluable, very good. あなたの助けになりきる。
ありがとうございます。It's dumping rain. It's blasting. That's rough.
So we
It's as cold as it was earlier, but now there's rain also.
look. I'm gonna leave this decision to you because today is Osaka or die.
Well, yeah, we have to Osaka.
There's two ways to get there. It is 5 hours through the rain, which I'm down for. I will do that.
I think we're freezing this.
Or it's 1 hour Toya ferry all night long. The ferry time she showed is departing at 8. So basically we have a lot of time to get there. So we could wait out the rain or...
Yeah, just like see? Because we are in a waiting game.
Yeah.
You want to go to Dino Fitness and Bouldering?
So I get freaking swole, freaking big,
you can
dude.
make progress. You can make progress on yourself and your mind.
You can always work on something. Dude, what is this machine?
These are, the Asians love it. It's for fat loss around your lower body. They do not work.
Of course they don't.
Everyone fucking believes in it. Not really. Maybe you're going so fast it's incomprehensible. I need to find my resonant frequency. I think I'm getting a lobotomy.
I felt like I was gonna shit. Like I felt it. Yeah, actually. It found my body's resonant frequency that makes me spill. Woo! All right. It is chilly. Rain stopped. Awesome. Huge fucking W. Wind still here. Still powerful. We're coming to you, Toyo. All right. We'll see you on the road. I do look like a white fucking thief.
White devil. Shiroi Bakemono.
Okay, stop calling me fucking white devil. I just received devastating news Michael doesn't know yet.
What is it?
Toyo's 30 minutes away. Back the way we came. Okay, what just happened?
Just found a man who came in and Google Maps on his phone. We were looking at his thumbs.
Do the thing you're doing?
Finger. You like that?
Yeah.
But he said, do you want to follow me halfway? And we assume it's just like kind of on his route. And he splits off halfway. So like, fuck you.
Also, road. Michi.
Michi. Where'd you pick that up? Shit.
The guy at the counter.
Really? Okay,
Yeah.
at least he's good for something.
めっちゃ優しい。ありがとうございます。めっちゃ寒い。
ブラック OK? 大丈夫
Do you want this one also? I like black coffee. この町出身です。はい。
あなたはウェアブロ
ロサンゼルス。ロサンゼルス。
ロサンゼルス
はい。Why here? 日本全国をバイクで旅行する。はい。
チーズを持たず。
チーズ持たず
はい。チャレンジ。
どこに今からどこに
北海道。
北海道
大阪。
大阪から来た
ない。佐多岬九州。
九州
初めて九州、北海道終わり。行きます。あなたの助けにおにぎる。めっちゃ優しい。
Good Japanese.
Good English. Okay. We are following our friend. Shout out Tommy, we made it here.
Hey, this goes on to the boy Tommy.
Room type. Okay, let's get there's a 2-bed.
Yeah, there's a royal, and then there's a suite, and there's probably this one, right? This is two people.
Yeah, good suite though.
And this one, right?
Sure. Oh no, you want Western. Japan plus Western, so it's gonna be at the Tommy mat sleeping bed.
Oh, you don't like the Japanese. You don't like
No, let's do it.
As a
You already started circling.
You don't like the Japanese as a culture. Room 513, Michael Rierks.
Check me out.
Oh yeah, what do you got? Hey, what do you got?
Room 513, HN Ludwig. All right. Yeah, we see everyone driving on. All right, we are boarding. I'm gonna be the fastest entry onto an orange ferry ever. First person to activate ABS on a ferry. Oh my God. Dude, this is way bigger than yesterday. Oh, すみません. They have an amusement arcade in here.
They got another boat. They got
Inside the boat?
cable cars.
All right. Dude.
Whoa.
Oh,
whoa.
don't look. What is this?
What?
Fucking ferry.
Is this Disneyland? Did I die and go to hell?
Choto Okides. This is pretty freaking epic.
Okay, this is sweet.
9/11.
9/11.
Okay. Sorry, back to it. Let's fucking see
Oh.
what you get. That's not 513. That's not 513. You're just gonna let me do that, huh? You're just gonna let me do
I thought
that.
maybe I made a mistake here. It was small. That was pretty good.
That's great. I can't be
I
mad.
don't know what I was fucking expecting.
I don't know what we opened up like it's Jurassic Park. We're gonna get ourselves fucking cute and explore this boat. Let's see how big this boat is. Let's go tip to tip. I want to see view bath because I don't know what that means. Oh, is it? Do you think it's a bathtub with a view?
I think it's a room where you get to view people bathing.
That sounds lit. Oh, here it is. The arcade
That's
room.
Monkey D. Luffy.
We have to win something. They got pachinko slots.
Oh shit! There's nowhere you cash them in. There's nowhere you can cash them in. I guarantee it.
Yeah, actually, it's a good point.
That's
this
on
is
me.
fucking swag.
Oh, I should win one of these for Lily.
Oh, this could be
live
where
like
we
that.
get gifts for our girlfriends.
Yeah. And we win it in an arcade style, which women have been known to enjoy.
Because it'll show off our masculine energy.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly right. Ugh, not even a Baskin Robbins machine.
I know.
Oh, have you had Coolidge before?
Is it good? No.
Yeah, rules.
In a tube?
Yeah, it's just ice cream in a tube.
Okay. Oh, Haagen-Dazs. That's nice.
Oh my God.
Oh.
We made it in fucking great time. I don't know if you guys can see. You want to go out in it? Wait, can you go out into
That's
it?
a good question.
Using outside deck. Please be careful to fall. Please be careful to fall in. Just try your best.
I'll make sure.
Like, be careful to fall in.
Well, I mean, I guess I'll do it.
Oh, dude, it's genuinely snow.
Yeah, it's frigid.
Oh, it is slippery. I would not feel comfortable going on this.
I have to be careful to fall in.
If
this was moving?
If this was moving, I would, no, don't do that. I hate when Michael does this shit. Stop, genuinely stop. You know what, don't fuck with that.
Look over the edge.
I will, but I get really scared, so I fucking do it slow. Oh,
horrifying.
No. I'm out. Come on.
I can't believe that's just accessible, actually. It's
yeah,
a little...
It's like, it's not a view. It's just...
No.
It's just the void.
And you're just at the behest of like a power greater than yourself, hopeless to do anything to quell your own destiny and shape yourself.
I feel like it's why it's the one profession, not anymore, but where it used to be like chill to be drunk at. Like every other like vehicle moving profession, it's like, oh, no drinking, no drinking.
Of course not, yeah.
But then like sailing, it's like, okay.
There's a high shot, you just die anyways. Restaurant.
Oh, restaurant. It opens at now until 10. You want to eat right now?
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Let's go.
The void is calling to me. Like, I want to go back and see that shit.
Stop.
It's really cool.
It's not cool.
This is where I do it. This is where I get the katsukuri.
This is it? This is where you buckle?
So.
I'm going to go with the udon because I owe Oji-san.
Oh, you do. It looks fucking crazy out, dude.
It does. Dude, I can't believe we drove through that.
I know. It was pretty nuts. Yeah, on a motorcycle, I've never done snow. Well, now I have.
There was like a vibe moment where I could tell like you were just locked the fuck in.
At some point, I was like, it's cool enough maybe for the road ice.
Yeah.
I was like, this is cool.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, every turn is scary.
Yeah.
Ooh, your guy looks good. I love when they put the
red?
Yeah, the pickled.
Food time.
It's food time. It's food time, everybody. Take a look. Time for, this is the udon. Shout out Oji-san. It is not at all what you thought I was gonna eat Oji-san, but to be fair, we didn't get the Kagawa.
I would eat out Oji-san.
We aren't like you, but I got the meat udon.
Close enough.
Chicken katsukuri.
Pork katsukuri.
It is time for another round of meal review. Dude, it's really good for a fucking shit.
Okay, well, but you gotta do your rating.
Rating. Thoughts. Is it the best you've ever had?
2.
Well, they're different things. You walk through. No, they're different things. So we can't.
9. It's
9.
It makes me want to cry because of how good it is. It makes me want to cry.
I felt silly for my rating, but now you made me feel better. 8.3.
8.3.
8.3. I love udon noodles.
What's your rosebud thorn?
What does that mean?
What's your rose? What's something you like? Your bud, something you're looking for. I fucking love that.
The thing is, I love that. I don't like calling it rosebud thorn.
Yeah.
It's corny to say the people, so I'm gonna pick a person.
Yeah.
Oji-san.
He was really good.
Oji-san, that interaction will stick with me for generations.
That was very good. My rose, this katsukuri.
My thorn, the weather.
Yeah.
It's on the nose, but bro, it has been bad. Like.
Yeah, that was my thorn as well.
I mean,
because there hasn't really been a negative other than that.
Bud.
Yeah, bud.
Looking forward to. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. The aquarium, and I think we might also be able to go to sumo, which I'm very excited about.
That is hype. Osaka, honestly, the okonomiyaki. My favorite okonomiyaki place. I remember where it is.
Oh.
Like I can take us.
You can lead us there.
Map, which is probably the first time we've been able to say that one on the trip.
That's sick. All right, back to exploring. Michael is about to try Coolish, a delicious treat. Okay, this is where I should tell you. You can't actually eat it yet. You can't eat it yet. You have to slowly melt it and then eat it over time.
It's going in the spank bank.
Did you get it to suck temperature?
To me, it's always suck temperature.
Only John. Oh, I want to get Cutie that.
Oh, she'd love it.
Yeah, actually.
That's the first thing I thought of when I saw it. I said, cheese and roll, that's it. I gotta get a watch for Lily.
Okay, if I'm dead ass thinking like what one screams Lily, I feel like
I give you permission.
She would love the Sanrio shit.
Racist. Blow his house up.
I got you the cruise vibrator. Why when you replied to my messages? He's been here for 30 minutes. He spent $45.
If you miss,
Yeah, you fuck it up forever.
it could be this one. It could be this one.
Oh, it got caught.
It got
caught. It got caught on the metal watch. Michael smash. Rear smash. Oh, you gotta put more money in.
Yeah, I gotta put more money in. Okay.
You're just fucking forcing it. Wait, this is actually a really good angle. Oh.
God, she's way too horny about this.
Stop.
Okay. If it don't though, yeah, I'm the freaking. You could say that I'm the freaking.
That is so unlucky.
What was that?
You could say I'm the frame best. No, low-key, you clutch it on the last.
The thing is, the quad does drop to the bottom, so you could just hit one of these, you know?
Maybe if you perfectly centered it, you could squeeze it. You know what I mean?
What about this?
This is like one of the worst drops of all time, no?
Yeah, they say that if they're not good. That's the thing, they say that if they're bad.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of new players don't like the drop, but experienced people with a brain and who are good at the game, they hit those.
You better fucking be fucking happy about that shit, Lily. Swear to fucking God.
I owe my dealer so much fucking money.
I have so much debt. I'm in so much debt. Okay, what was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna try this machine. Oh. What the fuck's going on? Oh, I know this one. So you have to time when to drop it, and you need it to go in the elephant's tusk. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Nice. Good look. Excellent. Fuck the alligator. Can't handle it. Ah, tiger mouth.
Okay. All right.
That's an awesome game.
It is kind of an awesome game.
We're trying to get it.
I've never died to the alligator before. I'm downloading. Here's the thing. If you learn this game, you should never lose, right? Fuck! Come on, man. Come on. I just need a little bit, man. I just need a little bit, bro. I just need a little bit, man. I just need a little more, man. I just need a little, just like whatever you got, man. Yeah, thanks. I just need a little more, man. It's just whatever you got, man. Okay, lock in. Ow! It's a different timing. It's a different fucking timing.
The no look.
Let's go! Wait, I don't get to pick my prize?
You just gotta hope.
Okay, this is the one I want. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
It's a fucking cop.
Yeah.
It's a fucking police officer. I got a police officer.
Judy loves the law.
Honey, I got you a police officer.
You love the
Don't you love the law, honey? Alright, well, we leave champions. I got you a cop, girlfriend. Okay, it's late. We're fucking tired. It's bedtime. What time is it?
11:30.
Oof, which is really bad because the cruise lands at 6.
Better. Is that like a land at 6, get off then, or is it like a get the fuck off, be ready to get off at 6?
We're gonna find out.
You should. You're right.
And you can find out tomorrow to see how sad we're gonna start our day.
With us at the police station.
We have a big surprise tomorrow.
I would say, don't come to Dotonbori tomorrow.
Don't show up to sumo, right? Don't show up to sumo, man. If you wanna,
If you don't want to get freaking.
just don't freaking show up to the boss show.